Welcome to our advanced materials facility. Today, I'm going to show you how we prepare high-end elephant texture material for luxury manufacturing. This non-contact scan captures every detail. Once complete, we'll be ready to begin material preparation. This is the base material we'll use to create multiple products. Every detail needs to be perfect before processing. The material must be perfectly aligned. Any distortion here will affect the precision of the final cut. Laser alignment ensures the cut follows every natural contour of the material. Precision matters. Once the path is confirmed, the cutter will make clean, accurate sections for the production line.
Perfect. Clean separation on every section, exactly what we need for assembly.
Each piece is inspected and sorted based on thickness, flexibility, and pattern consistency.
We're softening the material so it can bend, fold, and shape smoothly during assembly.
Each piece needs precise shaping before stitching begins.
Thickness is perfect on this side. It's consistent all the way through.
Curve looks good.
We need smooth edges for the final assembly. Clean cut, no fiber irregularities.
Edge consistency is within tolerance levels.
Hold it steady. The mold needs even contact on all sides.
Heat is stable, perfect for forming the first curve.
This one will form the toe curve.
Make sure the curve stays centered on the support rail.
This one needs about 5 minutes to stabilize.
No cracking. Curve is holding perfectly.
Flex resistance is in the ideal range.
Grain looks perfect along the entire curve.
Hold it steady, laser's giving us a clean path now.
Spacing is consistent. This piece will stitch smoothly.
Hole alignment is within 1/10 of a millimeter. Perfect.
Keep the tension steady. Clean stitches will define the final look.
Alignment's perfect, no warping on the edges.
Spacing stays uniform across the entire row. Keep the tension steady. Clean stitches will define the final look.
Alignment's perfect, no warping on the edges.
Spacing stays uniform across the entire row.
Fold line is clean. Let's secure it with the heat press.
Press applied, hold for 3 seconds, good.
Edge feels solid. No lifting at the corners. Steady feed braid. Keep pressure uniform across the bead.
Edge alignment is perfect. Lock it into the lamination bed.
Bring the lower edge closer. It has to sit flush with the frame.
Clamps secured, the curve is matching perfectly.
The alignment's spot on. No adjustment needed. Lower the laser grid. Perfect. That's the exact placement.
Marking the anchors now, Press. Spacing is consistent. Zipper track alignment looks clean. No adjustment needed. Alignment is good. Go ahead and secure it.
Pressing now and locked. Clean attachment.
Zipper base is secure, no movement on the track.
Keep the fabric straight. The teeth must stay aligned all the way.
Track tension's good. No shifting on the edges.
Hold the curve steady, shaping cycle starting.
Stitch line is tight, edges look perfectly reinforced.
Attachment locked. No movement on the rings. Front and back panels are aligned. Go ahead and secure the sides.
Side seam looks perfect. Starting the stitch line now.
Edge seal is smoothing out beautifully. Keep the top frame steady.
Frame is centered, clamps locking now.
Rim height is perfect. No sag on either side.
Surface feels consistent. No stiffness along the edges.
Grain looks clean, ready for the wash cycle.
Thickness is even. We can send it to cleaning. Starting wash, keep the PSI stable at level 3.
Jets are hitting evenly. No dead zones on the surface.
Drain lines are clean. Cycle can continue.
Pressure stable. Brushes are gliding perfectly.
Foam coverage looks good. Keep the layer even.
Surface is clearing nicely, almost ready for rinse.
Starting the full rinse. Keep the curtain flow steady.
Clarity is rising, foam is almost gone.
Surface feels clean. Ready for drying next. Make sure it's hanging freely. No folds touching.
Air temp locked. Starting the drying cycle now.
Humidity is dropping smoothly, looks stable.
Light mist pass complete. Surface looks ready for softening.
Keep it aligned. Rollers will do a gentle pass.
Pressure stable. Texture is softening evenly.
Left side secure. Start the pull in 3 seconds.
Engaging arms, pulling evenly across the surface.
Tension uniform. Surface is perfectly flat now. Feed it steady. Drum needs a smooth entry.
We've got a perfect leveling, no high patches left.
Final pass done. Texture feels evenly balanced now. Feed it steady. Drum needs a smooth entry.
We've got a perfect leveling, no high patches left.
Final pass done. Texture feels evenly balanced now.
Keep your pass slow. This tone needs to settle naturally.
Heat level set, locking the tone now.
Tone matches the standard. Grain looks rich and even. Keep the coat thin, just enough for surface protection.
UV panel active, curing the first layer now.
Bonding looks strong, no surface bubbles forming. Feed it slow. Rollers need a perfect guided entry.
Pressure is set. This will sharpen the lines nicely.
Grain is lifting beautifully. Pattern looks premium now.
Follow the laser line. Keep the cut perfectly straight.
Edge is clean, no frayed lines at all.
Smoothing pass done. The edge feels perfectly refined.
Keep the edge steady, follow the contour line exactly.
Small correction here. Smoothing that ridge now. Edges look perfect. Ready for pattern cutting next. Light adhesive coat applied. Keep it evenly spread.
Bringing the support layer down, align it with the top edge.
Pressure pass clean. Layers fused with no air pockets. Edges aligned. Ready for the final pressing pass.
Lowering plates, keep the pressure stable. Surface is leveling evenly, we're reaching perfect flatness. Loading bag and wallet templates, projection is active.
Sheet centered. Laser outlines look clean and sharp.
Spacing is optimal, we can maximize material yield.
Laser is tracking perfectly, no drift at the corners.
Increasing precision, tight curves will cut cleaner now.
First set done, edges look really sharp.
Bringing these edges down, just a light pass should do.
Softening this corner. Now it feels perfect.
Final buff looks clean, edges are luxury grade now. Laser is centered, stitch line will follow this path exactly. These fold points determine the product's final shape. Keep the panel aligned, fold memory needs a clean press.
Heat level is good. Forming the primary crease now.
Crease line is sharp, this will stitch perfectly.
Thin line only, just enough to hold for stitching.
Heating the bond, this locks the edge in place.
Clips secured. Edges will stay perfectly straight.
Stitch line looks clean, stay right on the guide marks.
Tension perfect. Seam won't loosen over time.
Guide arm steady, this curve needs a clean pass. Hold the curve steady, let the stitch arm follow the angle.
Perfect alignment. This fold needs a tight seam.
Clamps locked, stitch path is ready for the next pass. Alignment pattern looks clean, no bunching detected.
Probe path stable. Density is uniform across the sheet. Starting pressure test, watch for microflex behavior.
Stress levels look stable, no internal fractures. Starting at 15 degrees, watch the fiber response.
Flex curve stable. No stress fractures detected. Keep the pass slow. Heat must settle evenly.
Temperature stable, surface fibers are activating perfectly. Entering cooling zone, keep the surface steady while it sets.
Temperature dropping evenly. Grain structure is stabilizing.
Moisture reading at 6%, that's slightly low.
Adding a light mist, bringing it back to the optimal range. Starting softening mode, keep the cycle gentle and even.
Roller pressure looks perfect. Fibers are relaxing smoothly.
Starting microvibration cycle, let the grain rise naturally.
Texture response is perfect, grain clarity is increasing evenly.
Starting microvibration cycle, let the grain rise naturally.
Texture response is perfect, grain clarity is increasing evenly. Keeping the coat light, just enough to control reflection.
Reading stable. Sheen is now perfectly balanced.
Deep tones look steady. No dark patches appearing.
Consistency at 99.4%. Color balance is nearly perfect.
Laser sweep looks clean, no scratch points detected so far.
Checking a flagged area, grain is smooth, false alarm.
Good. Light coat applied. Ready for nano polishing.
Polisher speed steady, surface is smoothing evenly.
Warm layer going on, keep the spread even.
Light mist added, this will give it a soft glow.
Roller temperature steady, wax is settling perfectly.
Applying a thin coat, keep the mist consistent.
Airflow steady, the sealant is landing perfectly smooth.
Sending it in, straight.
Dropping temperature slowly. Don't shock the surface.
Plate is at perfect low temp, this will stabilize it nicely. Applying controlled pressure, keep the angle steady.
Force is perfect, right at the test threshold.
Scanner shows 0 indentation, surface passed.
Setting the fold angle to 30 degrees. Release on my mark.
Tension curve looks smooth, no internal fiber snapping. Heating the border, keep the temperature steady.
Trimming microfibers, smooth so far.
Edge rounding looks perfect, no sharp corners.
Bringing the grid online, keep the sheet perfectly flat.
Horizontal light stable, width reading coming in now.
Lay it slowly, let the magnets catch evenly.
Edges aligned, everything sits straight now. Clamps set, sheet.
Projector online, starting outline mapping now.
Template aligned. Radius matches product specs.
Grain flow verified.
Lines are crisp.
No misalignment detected.
Curves are stable, no distortion along the edges.
Rolling low force, let the material relax fully.
Pads placed, pulses are smoothing the inner fibers.
Bringing up the grid, watch for any surface anomalies. Ripple scan clean, no microwaves detected. Pressure uniform.
Bringing up the grid, watch for any surface anomalies.
Ripple scan clean, no microwaves detected.
Pressure uniform, distribution is perfectly even.
Lowering the film, keep tension gentle.
Even pressure, no wrinkles forming.
Edges smooth, air pockets fully cleared.
Static is 0, film won't attract dust now.
Lines still sharp, film didn't distort anything.
Transparency at 99. Laser visibility perfect.
Setting initial cutoff force, keep it under tolerance.
Test pressure incoming, watch those readings.
Distribution looks clean, no uneven force spike.
Starting vibration test, no blade engaged.
Surface reading steady, no ripple formation.
Oscillation levels minimal.
Starting full speed simulation, no blade engaged.
Acceleration is smooth, no wobble on curves.
Speed stable, movement perfectly.
Cooling system on, watch the thermal display.
Airflow steady, output levels are perfect.
Temperature stable, no hotspots detected. Controls locked, cooling cycle fully balanced.
Safety laser on, checking boundary glow now.
No beam drift, containment readings clean. Line stable, no wobble even during speed shift.
All containment logs green, system fully safe. Low power mode engaged, watch the heat signature.
Heat spread looks stable, no hot spots forming.
Power output steady, hold for east, never.
Laser at safe distance, watching for film reaction. Temperature stable, no hot spots appearing.
Positioning lasers on, checking tilt angle now. Vertical axis perfect, rotational drift is 0.
Bringing the head down, keep eyes on sensor distance.
Distance steady, still well above film surface. Barrier intact, no risk of contact at any point.
Dry run starting, head stays above the film.
Perfect trace, no outline deviation detected.
Tight curves clean.
Trail perfect, auto trace locked.
Blader. Blade engaged, starting the first precision cut.
Alignment perfect, blade is hugging the outline.
Depth stable, cutting clean. Entering the second curve, keep the path tracker steady. Curve alignment perfect, no drift at all.
Depth locked, cut staying clean through film and surface.
Entering micro detail zone, slow the head speed. Grid locked, inner pattern is perfectly centered. Depth stable, micro cuts coming out. Beginning long slot cut, keep vibration canceling active.
Laser line stable, slot will track perfectly straight.
Depth steady, slot width remains uniform end to end. Stability perfect, no blade drift at all.
Cross grid cut.
Cross grid cut starting, keep angle lasers active. Angles holding perfect, no drift at the X point.
Finishing pass starting, keep blaze pressure soft.
Curve alignment stable, path perfectly followed.
Depth is shallow and clean, no edge overcut. Material perfectly still, finishing pass is flawless.
Starting layout, this will be the front panel.
Side panels grouped, ready for assembly alignment.
Starting layout, this will be the front panel.
Side panels grouped, ready for assembly alignment.
Edges perfect, no trimming required.
Keeping temperature low, edge flexibility looks good.
Heat levels perfect, no film deformation at all. Base panel leveled, ready for structural bonding.
Keeping temperature low, edge flexibility looks good.
Grain conditioned, this fold will stay clean.
Heat levels perfect.
Adhesive line looks clean, keep the flow consistent.
Edges touching perfectly.
Seam stable, 0 deviation. Clamps secure.
Rear panel aligned, keep it level while we match the edges.
Left corner matching perfectly, no overhang at all.
Sensors reading.
Bond line looks clean. Keep the flow thin and controlled.
Rear panel stable, edges aligning perfectly during bonding.
Bond line looks clean, keep the flow thin and controlled.
Rear panel stable, edges aligning perfectly during bonding. Straightness reading perfect, no seam warping detected. Front seam coated, keeping the flow ultra thin.
Body stable, bottom edges lining up perfectly.
Alignment locked, no gap along any edge.
Setting the body in, keep it centered on the plate.
Heat level stable, starting low temp curing cycle.
Bond hardness rising evenly.
Upper rim is soft, fold will hold perfectly.
Folding now, keeping the pressure smooth and even.
It is reading perfect, fold is completely straight.
Thread trimmed clean, no uneven ends left.
Micro edge is smooth now, no rough fibers remaining.
Surface is clean, grain looks flawless. Thread trimmed clean, no uneven ends left.
Micro edge is smooth now, no rough fibers remaining.
Surface is clean, grain looks flawless. Hold the upper seam, I'll start stitching the left side.
Pocket seam looks clean. No wrinkles at the corners.
Second pocket alignment is perfect, ready for stitching.
Edges folding clean, keep the alignment tight on the corners.
Corners locked, structure is perfectly rigid.
Foam fits flush, no gaps on the sides.
Lowering slowly, keep it centered on the holographic guide.
Smooth placement, fabric is flat on all corners.
Sensor reads level. Product is seated perfectly.
Edges folding clean, keep the alignment tight on the corners.
Corners locked, structure is perfectly rigid.
Foam fits flush, no gaps on the sides. Lowering now, keep it parallel to the base.
Perfect, beam shows clean alignment, no tilt.
Corners sealed evenly. Lid sits flush on all sides.
Label printed, let's align it on the top right corner.
Placement looks good, pressing the edges down.
Scan is clean. Tracking ID confirmed in the system.
Keep it centered. Wrap needs a clean tension.
Pulling over the top, tension looks perfect.
Corners protected. Final seal is secure.
Set it down smooth, let the belt carry it in.
Weight is stable. Reading matches the batch ID.
Laser grid is clean, dimensions fully compliant.
Lifting final pallet. Keep the ramp clear.
Scan confirmed.
Center it, you're aligned with the cargo laser. Bring it forward, stop right there, perfect fit.
Another box going in. Keep the line moving smoothly.
Scan complete, box cleared for shipment.
Stack is stable. No shipment on its way. Good work today.
All clear. Truck fully logged out. Dock secured. Next shift can reset.
And that's the last shipment. Another day done.